How to log into Lloyds Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Lloyds Career. Login in Lloyds Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Lloyds Career. Type Lloyds Career login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Find the login option. Once you are on the Lloyds Career homepage, click on Start Your Job Search. Then scroll down and click a random job and click Apply Now. It will take you to the sign in page. This is typically located at top right corner of the page. Click on it. Enter your credential. On the login page, you will typically see fields to enter your email address and your password. Input the email address associated with your Lloyds Career account in the designated field. Then enter your password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Your Password, and if you haven't created an account yet, click on Create Account. Click on Sign In. After entering your credential, click on Sign In button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. If the credentials you provided are correct, you will be logged into Lloyds Career account. You should now have access to your account dashboard where you can view job openings, update your profile, and perform other relevant actions. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.